Have you ever wondered if there's a secret hack that can transform your sales overnight? Well, I'll give you a couple ideas in this video of how to do just that. From quick views to buy again, there's all kinds of ways to help with the customer cycle and to keep them coming back for more. So let's dive right in. All right, we have WooCommerce and the Astra theme installed, and we're going to be using the AutoWP Dynamic Shopping plugin. You can achieve these same feats with different and free plugins, although they just won't work as well and cohesively together. The first thing we're going to add is Quick View. Quick View allows the customers to view products quickly without leaving the page. Either they'll make the decision to buy, or they can keep shopping in a seamless manner. The first thing you should look for in a Quick View plugin is that it's not just a button that's the same color. A lot of plugins I found just allowed a button. In our plugin, we use a icon because it's not as distracting from your main goal of adding to cart. It's just there to help them make that decision. When you click it, it brings it up quickly, and they can decide if they want to add it to cart or minimize it and keep going. The AutoWP plugin also adds gesture controls, so they'll be able to swipe close, and it just works quite a bit better than any other plugin out there currently. The next feature we're going to add is a wish list. A wish list will help your customers save products to come back to view later, and more importantly, will tell you what they're looking for. And if you have the right plugin, you'll be able to market through them through email or any other means. I'm sure you've seen this feature in other websites. It's just a button that looks like a heart, and they can click and it adds it to their list. Again, a lot of free plugins just add a button that looks the same as your add to cart. I would avoid that, but if you need to, it's better than nothing. So we can add as many as we want, and it will add it down here, which is not traditional because a lot of plugins will keep it in a little heart up here. But this way, they're able to view the product no matter where they're at. And that will bring us into our next feature, which is Compare. Before we go into Compare, we're going to talk about how you can actually market to your wish list. Now, this will vary from plugin to plugin, but for the Woo AutoWP Dynamic Shopping plugin, you just need to go over here to Wishlist first. This will set a amount of days before you'll start the campaign. And then you go into templates, add all kinds of features, abandoned cart, wish list, buy again, sales notification, back in stock. Go to wish list, and we have a whole bunch of default templates for you, and you just need to activate them. And after those set 10 days, next hour, it will send that message. It also will send back in stock, also sales notifications. You can also customize these templates to look however you want. You can add a view wish list, which actually takes them to their cart page. And you have all these other tags to add in there. Well, you can create even coupons for them. You can just do free shipping if you like. And you can use the WooCommerce styling to match all of your emails that you send out. And now we're back to our shop page. As you can see, they can quickly compare their wish list. But if they don't want to add something to their wish list, they can simply add into their compare, click on their item here, and compare it to the other product they have. Again, we do it a little different at AutoWP. The compare modes will just list a whole bunch of stuff that they want to compare, either all at once or on a separate page. I like the fact that we can quickly compare it to items that we already have in our wish list, as well as things they want to compare. Now that you've worked hard to get your customers to your site and create an amazing shopping experience for them, there's still a chance that you may not convert on that sale even after they add stuff to the products. So getting an abandoned cart plugin is key to squeeze out as many sales as you possibly can. Now, once they get to the checkout page, once they fill out their email address, Dynamic Shopping will then collect the email. And if they leave this after a set amount of time, which in Dynamic Shopping, you set an abandoned cart settings, and this is set to minutes. After 60 minutes, it will say abandoned. Just like in the wish list, go to your email templates, sort it by abandoned cart. And just like the wish list, you can do the similar things to help convert that sale that you may have otherwise lost by sending them back in stock, and their email chain that you can set the same way as Wishlist. And this is where a lot of people just stop and call it good, but we can even take it one step further. And as you saw, I filtered, you can filter it by buy again. Now you can set individual products a set amount of time to start another email campaign. And you can also let them know it's back in stock and on sale. So all these things will help your customers not only purchase once, but hopefully purchase more than once. And now to set the product timer, all you need to do is go to products, all products, pick any one that you like, and go over here to buy again timer, activate it, and set the amount of days. We'll just do 10. And after 10 days, and the set amount of time that you have on your buy again emails, it will then start marketing them. So by default, we added an extra day. So it'd be technically after 11 days. You can also, again, set free shipping and coupons if you like. The next thing you really want to consider is adding share buttons. Make your customers market for you, this is what that accomplishes. And something I highly recommend. There's tons of free plugins out there. There's really no excuse not to have it, even on the shop page. And on Wishlist, definitely. My plugin has a link and also one button to share their wish list with other people. If you execute all these features on your site well, you will increase your sales no problem. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Also comment anything you like or dislike, as well as any ideas of videos you'd like to see in the future. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.